What Instagram loves about you. My POV on Instagram with my 11 years of using it. Hit 1 billion users worldwide. Instagram is more valuable to Facebook with the unique platform that combines photo, video, and shopping. Nearly 100 million contents have been uploaded to the feed each day. I spent so much time on Instagram. My first post was in 2010 when the platform was a small community of people who loved to make their photos look old and vintage, and yes, only for iPhone users. After being acquired by Facebook in 2012, Instagram's number of users has skyrocketed and has become one of Facebook's most utilized placements for advertisers. I'm not writing about the chance for you to grow your business here, but as a long-time user, 11 years active, this is what I've learned what Instagram loves about me or you or anyone who is still active on this app. Instagram loves when you check your number of likes. Instagram's like system has become the key action for many apps at entry to the market. The small little heart-shaped button is an indicator of how much your content is worth for FOMO people like me. I love that in the past when you tap the heart button and there was a middle heart-shaped icon popped up on the photo. But this is where the most of users engage with. The number of likes has become something on this platform. It can be how much you are being loved by your friends, or it can determine your future and career, or even how much you can make money out of it. This function dominated users to constantly check their like numbers, and it resulted in the Instagram app has been turned on your phone daily, hourly, or whatever, making you become a value product called active users. Instagram loves when you post photo of a person. Behind the artificial intelligence of Instagram, where it works as a masterpiece of learning and detecting porno, abused vaccines, and COVID-19 content like human eyes. The AI also knows that people come to Instagram to see what is happening with their friends and social. That's when the AI starts to push photos with real people in there to be up on the feed. I've learned that at the same time, same account, same day, same hashtag, photo with people has more likes and engagement. The AI completely scans your photo no matter what it is, and if they found a human in it, you get the score to be on the feed. And yes, active users love to see this more than any other thing else. Instagram loves when you are curious about people and gossiping. Have you ever gone to Instagram and skipped the main feed to search for the location instead? Or how many times have you tried to find who is in this photo with tagging function? These little functions are made for curious people like me. And it makes me spend more time on the app. For me, every time I book a nice hotel, I also went to Instagram and search for the hotel in the place tab, and see what it looks like in IRL, where most place people take the shot, who went there, and what color should I wear for the pool. By doing this behavior, I already spent more time on the app than others. That makes me a highly reviewable active user. Instagram loves when they know you are a real human. Being an active user doesn't mean you just tap likes. They know what is a bot and what is a human. The activities have been scanned from scrolling the feed, tapping likes, searching hashtags, messaging, and engaging in the post. These make your account distinct from the bot. So when Instagram knows you are not a bot, they start to score your account and gives rewards such as pushing your post to the top of the feed and push it to the explore page. You will need to engage the most as possible to keep your account pop out. Try to comment on many posts, like the celebrity's post, share the post to friends, tag people in the post you like, and make a comment like a human. Then the system knows you are a real person and your feed will not be under 6 feet limbo among the none likes counted photos. In the end, the more time you spend on Instagram means you help the app grow a chance for advertising, you have grown more impressions of ads, and keep the company running the business. I'm not against this. I love Instagram and I will continue to be an active user for a while. The next time you open the feed, let's see if the first post is a person or a mountain. What about you? Why you left Instagram? Let me know in the comment.